or key to
35146.
I think I've got that horse all settled down now.
Well, I guess I'm all settled down, too.
Ready to conceive, but we were...
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for northern Madera County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles southwest of Scraper, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations in or near the path include Tahlequah, Westfield, Watts, Eldon, Proctor, Christie, Scraper, Ballard. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
This is the MeTV Network, seen locally on KOKI's MeTV Tulsa. MeTV is memorable entertainment television.
And the Andy Griffith Show, coming up on MeTV.